I'd like you to join me in an experiment. I would like to share with you a part of me. I would like to invite that part to come right here, right now, and share with you its story, to share with you why it's there. And my hope is that this will resonate with a part of you that might have been doing something very similar in your system. And I know that from my own experience, the moments in which I could witness someone else's experience were some of the most touching but also awakening moments in which parts of me could really truly resonate, and they found the space and the freedom to show themselves, to come forward, and to show me that they were also there, that they were also maybe working very hard, so that it's truly and deeply acknowledged just for being there, for existing, for having taken over that specific role. And today I would like to share with you the part of me that is working really, 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 really hard to do everything right all the time so that it can meet everyone's needs, so that everyone can be happy, so that then she can allow me to be happy. Yeah, that part feels a bit put on the, on the spot. It was looking at me a bit puzzled, not sure about this thing that I want to do. And then it turned towards you. Imaginary versions of the many of you that might watch this video. And it somehow feels a softness toward the parts that might be doing the same job that it's doing. A job that it doesn't have to do that much anymore. A job that is learning to let go of, because it never knew that there was an alternative. It never knew that when I became a grown-up, I could have a say. I could make choices. I could meet my own needs. I could find kind and beautiful people who care about me, who can even love me just the way that I am. It's like all of this never crossed its mind. He didn't know that that was possible. And now he knows. And it's still not easy to allow more space for a job that it has been doing for, since I was 2 years old. That's a very long time. And yes, yet I can feel how much more space there is now. I can feel the weight that left the moment it realized that I'm not a child anymore, and that's what it wants to share the most, is those other parts in other people who are doing everything that they can to do everything right, so that they're gonna meet everyone's needs, so that they're all gonna be happy, so that then I've been a good girl, and then maybe I also deserve to be happy. But then there's the critic somewhere back here. And the critic was never quite satisfied of what was done. And it always voiced when things were not done good enough. By breaking this kind of loop, this consequential loop, that if I do all the right things so that everyone's needs are met, so that they're happy, then I deserve to be happy. And so the critic was a major player and never being deserving to be happy. And at the same time, also reality didn't really play along. Having 2 kids was that very awful feeling in my stomach that I could just never really meet the needs of both of them because I'm just one. And there it is, the mother part who comes in as well, showing, a much less heavy burden of guilt and shame, but never really free of it, which is okay. And they're all saying hi to any part that might resonate with what they're doing in the system. The critic wants to share that everything it ever wanted was for that little girl to be so good that she could actually be accepted and loved. It wants to know all the other critics out there that have that specific job, that it's not their fault that they never managed. It's not their fault that it never worked. That sometimes parents just don't have the ability to do that. And they can stop carrying that weight and that responsibility and that shame for not having been able to make that happen. And that they don't have to keep being so harsh. And so loud. And so crushing. It's okay. It's okay, they can make some space now. And I would appreciate to know if you found this valuable in any way, if your parts came forward, if they could resonate with whatever was shared by the parts in my system.